Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to order from Temu. To order from Temu, first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you'll be taken to the home page. Now here you can select the items that you want by scrolling down and exploring to the page. Or you can also tap on categories near home on the downside. Then here you can see various categories of the product, or you can tap on the search bar at the top and enter the item that you want to purchase. Then select on the specific product that you want to purchase by tapping on that product. Now here you can see you can choose your color and quantity or other features according to the product that you are thinking of purchasing. After changing the features or the number of amount that you want to buy, tap on add to cart on the downside. With that, your product will be added to your cart. Now go back to your home, then tap on cart at the down right side. Then here you can see the product that you have just added to your cart. Now tap on checkout at down right side. With that, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Now here you can see the shipping methods. You can choose any of the shipping methods like a standard free or free on click and collect. Then here you need to select your payment methods, whether you are using card, PayPal, ClearPay or Pay in 3. I am using card. After entering your payment method, scroll down. Then here you can see apply coupon code. If you have coupon code, then you can click on apply coupon code and then you can redeem your code. With that, here you can see total of your amount for the given product that you are going to order. With that, on the down here you can see the privacy policy, security policy as well as guarantee of the delivery. After entering all your details, tap on submit order at down right side. Then here you need to add your payment method details. As I'm using my card, I need to add my card number, CVC, my expiry date of the card. With that, tap on confirm, then tap on order. With that, you'll be able to place order on Temu. This is how we can order from Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.